Man, I'm pretty.
Tell me what I want, I'ma throw a fit. I'm the shit, I know I'm the shit. Yeah, I'm super lit. If you don't, tell me what I want.
Memory every single day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every
What the
single.
fuck is good, YT? What the fuck is going down? I'm back with another video, and this is March Madness, bitches. Fuck the bitches talk about. So, if you guys like March Madness so far, and you like that I'm gonna give you content as promised, thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I mean, like, click the notification bell. Make sure them bells are on, girls, because like I said, I'll be here Monday through Friday, give you new content every day. Yes. So this right here is going to be it was going to be a story time today, you guys. But so I was on Facebook today, and I got into a little argument with my fellow Facebook friends about the lack of knowledge and being DL, being gay. I just got into like a little argument because like it's a big misconception with people thinking that being gay is an option. Like, so if you like videos like this, a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, like I said before, and tune in, bitches, because I'm about to get into this. So basically, there's a few naive, illiterate people who believe that being gay is the option and that I chose to be gay, when I can promise you for a fact that that was not the motherfucking case. Like, if I had the motherfucking choice, I mean, now I would be straight. Now I would just be an alien. But, because, like, I just don't want people, because with a female, when you talk to females, you have to still defend your female. Like, you gotta make sure that, like, no nigga to talk to her. That's too much work. And when you're gay, they're so messy, and then sometimes they envy you, and it should be too much work. Too much work. Too much work. Too much. Girl, don't have time. So basically, with that being said, people believe that you're not born gay. And I've got comments like, how do you become gay? You don't become gay. Okay, well, some people get touched, molested, but you don't become gay from that, in my opinion. They might believe that they came gay from that, but that's not how they became gay. When you're gay, you're born gay. Because I've been wearing heels since I can remember. I've been wearing lipstick since I was a kid. I've been doing gay stuff, like flamboyant, girly, twerking, splits, all that, since I was a kid. And I'm telling you that it wasn't because I was just raised around females, because I had a lot of females in my family, yeah. But, no, like, I have two big brothers. I have so many uncles. I have a father, I have a stepfather, and I have two little brothers that aren't gay, but I am. So what are you saying? It's not who you're around. It's not what you're influenced with. It's just how you are. I mean, you being flamboyant can most definitely take attributes from you hanging around too many females, but it's not gonna happen because you're gay. Like, I don't know how to say. Well, it's not gonna be because you like weren't born gay. If you're born gay, you're gonna be gay. If you like pussy, you're gonna like pussy. Like, there's no if, answer, buts about that. Like, there's no way that you can stop it. There's no way that you can force it. It's just gonna be what it is. And yeah. So I was on Facebook earlier, and I'm gonna probably post up here, but this boy made a status, and it was like, that status about, I'm gonna put it right here, but it was talking about how if you're gay, like, if your gay son came home from college, what would you do? He was just being ignorant. And I'm like, I mean, I understand what you're saying. Like, no parent wants their son to be gay. Like, if my son was gay, I'd be kind of sad too. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Like, it's not like you chose this, like, for yourself. Like, nobody wants to sit and be ridiculed, discriminated against, talked about by their own people. The thing is, black people are the worst because they treat gay people like how they got treated in slavery. And it's like, you can't be a hypocrite and make it make sense. Make it make sense. You know what I mean? So I don't do hypocritical stuff. I don't take that lightly. So when I see someone talk about gay people, and I don't even really mess with the gay community, but when I see someone talking about gay people, I'm not taking that lightly because I am gay myself, and I feel as if you're coming for me. Like, he had said something like, y'all weren't raised around enough males, and I'm like, I have all male family. Like, I don't have no legit sisters. Like, so what are you saying? That doesn't mean anything. As well, to add on to that, I played football. I ran track. It's more trophies, but I'm not getting them. Football, baseball, and it's like 7 more trophies over there. I got soccer trophies. I played football, soccer, ran track. I did every last sport. So it's not that I'm not like an athletic person. It's just because you put your kid in sports, or just because you do certain stuff to hide stuff from your kids, doesn't mean that it's not gonna happen to your kids. if they were naturally born to be gay, they're going to naturally be gay. I can't stress that enough. Like, you can't force them to be something they're not, and you can't pray it away. Had all of that happen, try to do all that. It's just I was raised in a church family. Like, Christianity was preached to me like crazy. But at the end of the day, who I am, there's different levels of gays. I will give you that, because I wasn't as gay as I used to be. Like, that's the thing. There's a lot of misconceptions. Like, because when you're DL, like, you're not going to be yourself. Like, you're going to be in a bubble. You're going to be quiet. You're going to be stale face. Like, you're not going to be yourself. So when you come out, you're going to be, yes, bitch, girl, yes, yes, oh yeah, yes. Like, not everyone's going to be like that. Don't get me wrong. But if you're happy and you were like that before, but you weren't showing it, you're going to be like that. Like, there's no way to. Girl, I can't. It's really a touchy topic to me because it really hurts my feelings. It gets me in my bag. It really just. It makes me upset. That's why I cannot wait till my channel grows to the point where I can most definitely talk about stuff like this, because I want to be that black gay voice in the community that is able to help people, because nobody was able to do that for me. I know for a fact that I didn't just wake up one day like, I want to be gay. I want to get ridiculed, talked about, and all of that for the rest of my life. No, that's not what happened. I've tried to fight this my whole life. Like, I've talked to so many females, had sexual relations with so many females, and at the end of the day, they can't give me what a man gives me. Like, they can't give me what a man gives me. Like, they can't make me feel how he makes me feel. Like, it's just not gonna happen. So at the end of the day, you can't prosecute or ridicule for somebody from what they like and what they love. I understand you having your opinion. I understand you not wanting your kids to be that way. And I understand that it's your Facebook, you can make with your post, but it's my comment. It says write a comment. So when you make that post, I write a comment. I'm allowed to say what I want to say. Like, and then people want to say you're wrong for wishing that upon my kid. Because I said I hope that your son becomes gay for you having that negative energy. Like, it's not like I woke up one day like, yeah, I think today's the day I'm gonna be gay. Yeah, today's a good day. Maybe next week. Like, it just doesn't work like that. You can't choose the time. You can't choose anything. Like, and like I said before, you can fuck as many bitches as you want to, and be as DL as you want to. But if your dick gets hard when you see a nigga, you're gay. Like, if you feel some type of way, if men make you feel some type of way, you're gay. You're bisexual. Whatever. That's fine. It's okay. And I understand some people don't want to come to that realization, and that's fine. That's cool. But if you're a straight man and you're 1,000,552% satisfied with yourself, you should not be speaking on gay men or bisexual men or DL men or nothing like that. Like, it's not your place, because you don't know what we go through. You don't know what goes on in our heads. I mean, I'm not saying we all do the same thing, but you don't know what we go through. Like, it's our community, and that's like white people talking about our community, about black people. And then I'm black, gay, and I wear makeup, and I wear weave. Like, it's and I'm on social media, so it's 10 times worse. Like, because but I sign myself up for this, and I'm not even saying like, oh, I'm on social media. Like, it is what it is. But at the end of the day, just know that we didn't sign up for this lifestyle for it to be a show, or we didn't sign up for this lifestyle for it to be like we are abnormal. Because that's what he said to me. Like, he said y'all are abnormal. Like, we're not. Let me break it down to you. So, being gay, you have to be yourself, of course. But being gay and wanting to be seen and noticed, you have to be overdramatic. You have to be loud, belligerent, because that's what they want from us. That's what we're known for, is to be loud, belligerent, ghetto, hood rat. Want to be like females, because that's what a lot of people like to say. We want to be like females. When that's really, well, for my case, I know for a fact that I don't want to be a female. My body is banging. I don't want to change none of my parts, okay? So I don't need to do none of that. Your man likes. Never mind. I'm gonna keep my comments to myself. But yeah, like, it just flushes me, because I don't play all over the place, but I can't. It just flushes me that people think that we choose this for ourselves, and that we're all just so gay and dramatic and loud and belligerent, which I am. I can get that, but that's not because I'm gay. That's because I was raised in the hood, and I can get that. But just know I'm working on my college degree, and I'm trying to be more educated and more upper echelon. Something that you guys don't know about, because at the end of the day, you guys are selling nickel bags, and y'all having kids. Y'all are out here selling crack, having kids. You're out here fucking, getting pregnant, giving STDs to people. All of this stuff. Being DL, all of this stuff, and y'all are talking about gay people. Like that's so weird to me. Like how can you belittle somebody like that? And y'all know that that's most definitely like a sin itself, you know. So I just feel like if you're going to call the kettle black, you're gonna reap what you sow. So when your son comes out gay, or your son's son come out gay, or your daughter's son come out gay, just know that it was because you wanted to talk about gay people. It's that's what that is. Like that's what that is. But this is March Madness, you guys, and I have so much shit coming in this motherfucking week. I have so many videos. I have so much coming. And if you like videos like this, thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and go tune into my 2K giveaway because you know we just hit 2,000 subscribers, bitches, and we can get this to 100 likes. We'll probably have another giveaway. So let's see, girls. See you in my next one, bitches. Peace.